So I was trying to figure out what power I needed to raise 2 to get 128. I tried typing it in my calculator, but it was dumbfounded too. It turns out you need to use logarithms. So let's write it out in logarithmic form. Basically, this means that 2 to the something power equals 128. We're all smart here, so we already know upon rewriting the equation that the answer is 7. But we don't need to do any work because your calculator already understands logarithms and can tell you that log base 2 128 is 7. And that's pretty much all you need to know about logs. But if your teacher is mean and makes you do expanding, this is how you do it. Let's say you have log base 2 8 times 16. That can be easily expanded as log base 2 8 plus log base 2 16. This can be proven. Log base 2 8 is the same thing as saying 2 to the what power equals 8. And intuitively, we know that to be 3. Log base 2 16 is therefore 4. And log base 2 8 times 16 can be rewritten as 2 to the x equals 8 times 16, also known as 128. And of course, 2 to the 7th power equals 128, meaning that 3 plus 4 equals 7. Imagine that. The same thing can be said of division instead of multiplication. In this case, just subtract instead of add, and you've got your answer. Condensing is, in short, the opposite of what we've just done. When condensing, you go from this to this. It may be a little bit more complex on the exam, but the fundamental concepts remain the same.